guys, welcome back to my channel. Sheza The Cutiepie. For today's night. Now it's time we're going in late night.
লেট নাইটে কোথায় যাও?
আমরা যাই লাইটিং ওখানে যাই। ওকে
Okay.
মিউজিক also হয়।
মিউজিক হয়? আচ্ছা, লেটস গো।
Yeah, very excited.
Very excited?
Everything's green.
Illusion. So how certain can we be? Anyway, the show is hopefully about to begin. And in the beginning, friends, there was nothing. Friends, in the beginning, there wasn't even nothing. Shortly after the beginning, it is generally agreed there was light. But we're getting ahead of ourselves, if that's even possible. Here's a story. It's a story about all of us. It's our origin story. Take a look at the people around you. That guy in the hat. That girl looking at her phone. That couple over there. All forged in the hearts of long dead stars. We are not in the universe. We are the universe. want me?
The grass is soft and tickles my back.
A moth pattered against the window until I snatched it in my childish fist like a jewel in a paperweight.
I did not feel your lonely heartbeats.
Dysfunction Network was a pre-start velocity. Was created here for humans.
What are we? If just nothing real sad on a cosmic beach.
The sun smiles upon the precious earth. I like you very much. I like that you're a Leo, which makes you fix fire.
A lion was my best friend. The little bear was my pet.
I'll stay cool. Mesmerized.
Galactic spirals, hollow push, while spin with wings around.
Planets laughed and cried and lived.
Voyager arrives in junk mail. A text-based advert about all the best on Earth. 4.5 billion emails from Earth.
I felt the first traces of heat caress my face as they regenerated in the proto-cells heart.
Water, how did interstellar clouds fall from this planet?
Our story begins on a marbled space rock.
শেষ নাকি
বাবা তুমি এনজয় করেছো?
এনজয়
আরো এনজয় করো। It's done, Mama.
Let's go home. Okay?
See?
See, সবাই চলে যাচ্ছে। Okay, তাহলে চলো আমরা যাই বাসায়।
আজকের মতো সেজা অনেক এনজয় করেছে তাই না মাম্মা? ও
আরো করতে চাচ্ছে এনজয় সে। ওকে
সেজা
চলো আমরা
এখন it's time to go home.
শেষ বাংলাদেশ চলো।
Yeah.
About us will begin in.
সবাই বেবি নিয়ে আসছে।
হ্যাঁ বেবিরাই এনজয় করছে এগুলো। আমাদের আগেও কিন্তু আরেকবার হয়েছে, সব বেবিরা দেখে দেখে সব এক শিফট চলে গেছে। আমরা ছিলাম সেকেন্ড ব্যাচের। ওয়েদারটা ভালো আজকের।